Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Have you ever needed to see a doctor but didn't know how to explain your symptoms in English? Today's video will help you feel confident when visiting any doctor anywhere in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Part 1. Key Vocabulary. Here are some useful words you will need at a doctor's chambers. Appointment, receptionist, symptoms, prescription, diagnosis, medicine, checkout. Try to repeat each word after me. Part 2. Useful phrases. Useful sentence to describe your condition. I have a fever. I am feeling dizzy. I have been coughing for 3 days. Do I need any tests? How many times should I take this? Repeat after me to improve your fluency. Part 4. Real dialogue role play. Receptionist. Good morning. Do you have any appointment? Patient. No, but can I see the doctor now? Receptionist. Please wait for a few minutes. Doctor. Hello, what brings you here today? Patient. I have been feeling sick and have a sore throat. Doctor. Do you have a fever? Patient. Yes, around 101 degrees. Doctor. I will check your throat and blood pressure. Doctor. It seems like a mild infection. I am giving you some medicine. Patient. Thank you, doctor. Part 5. Pronunciation practice. Let's practice pronunciation. Appointment, prescription. I have a sore throat. How many times should I take the medicine? Speak slowly and clearly with me. Part 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some mistakes to avoid. Don't say I take doctor. Say I am going to see the doctor. Don't say give me a tablet. Say could you prescribe some medicine. Don't say I sick. Say I am sick or I am not feeling well. Part 7. Today you are learned how to book an appointment, describe your symptoms, understand the doctor's response, pronounced key medical terms. Now tell us in the comments how do you say fever in English. Subscribe for the next episode. Thank you very much.